how to find my Bank of America user ID. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can find your Bank of America user ID, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find your Bank of America user ID, all you have to do is, first of all, open up Bank of America. Now if you forgot your user ID, what you can actually do is you can reset your user ID if you don't remember it. So when you go to login, it will ask you for user ID and password, but you don't remember the user ID, right? So tap on forgot ID or password option here. And then from here, what you want to do is you will see a couple of other options over here, right? So let me just select that. Now here you can see it says find my account number or so on. So you can simply select your card or account number, enter the last 6 digits of your number, then enter your SSN or tax ID, then tap and continue. Then it will take you to the next page where you can figure out and select a new user ID, or you will be able to find your existing user ID. So this way you should be able to find and reset, if you don't find it, your user ID on Bank of America. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.